Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
Next, we have Sannyasi Shivaya David Giri. He has a great vision towards spirituality. He was guided by his gurus Agori Baba, Bhairavnath, and Brahmalin Shri Sudarshan Giri. So his topic is Nama Japa, chanting in divine remembrance. So let's hear out from him.
Om Namo Narayana. First is my namaskarams to the Shiva in all of you. I had thought what I should speak about today, but after listening to all of you, all that you spoke till now, especially the doctor that spoke a few minutes before, like we are all the divine. Whatever happens is of the divine, and everything is preordained, predestined, and along with that, why should we be so concerned about outcomes when we are doing what we are supposed to do? So with all the speakers that spoke right now, I realize that we all speak of the same thing in different ways, that we are all that part of the Paramatma. Now we are the Atmas, part of the Paramatma, and we will eventually definitely go back into being Aikyam, in being one with the Paramatma, which is we are all one. And whatever I had thought of saying, I need to say now. So what I'll do is I'll just my own way of realizing this is chanting the name of God, and believing that we are all one, we are all connected, and we are all one family. We are all one family, we are all connected, even when we don't seem to be connected. We all affect each other. So with this thought, I'll just take the name of Shiva. Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Hi Om. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 ba bam ba 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 bam 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 bam. Adi Nitya Satya Antam Anandam Parameshwaram Sadanandam Nityanandam Divyanandam Sadashivam. Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Om, Hara Hara Hi Om. For me, all of you are Shiva. Everyone, the whole sustenance is Shiva. The 5 elements is Shiva. As I think Meenakshi, the lady was just speaking of Mother Earth. So for me, all the Pancha Mahabhutas, the Panch Tattvas, they're all one. They're all of the same. We are all one. We are of the same. We are the same. Though in this Srushti, in this Maya, we all have our own individuality or individual existence. There is a bond that's always present in all of us. So what more to seek rather than peace and happiness? So thank you, everyone. It's been nice to be with all of you, and I will continue to stay. And okay, now mentioning about Mahashivratri, one of my favorite saints, Ramana Maharshi, had said that the way to grow in Shiva Dharma. Now he didn't use the word Shiva Bhakti or Shiva Margam. He used the word Shiva Dharma, is to call upon him by his Ashtamurti Namam. By his Ashtamurti Namam. So one of the best things that we can do is call upon Shiva, especially on this night of Shivaratri when the energies are going to be optimal, is to chant upon the name of the Shiva in his Ashtamurti Namams. So I'll take the Ashtamurti Namam. Om Jambukeshwaraya. Om Nataraja Tattvaya. Om Agnilingaya. Om Divya Swarupa Arunachaleshwaraya. Om Sri Kalahasteshwaraya. Om Ekambareshwaraya. Om Chandrasekharaya. Om Suryanarayanaya. Om Pashupateshwaraya Namaha. Shivam 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 Shivoham. Shivam 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 Shivoham. Shivam 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 Shivoham. We all know that we have the Panchatattva, the Pancha Mahabhutas in our body. Now, other than the Pancha Mahabhutas, we also have one eye as Surya, the other one as Chandra, and our life, the Prana, as the Pasha of our life, as he holds our life with the Pasha. So that is about Mahashivratri. I've been blessed to have met a lot of very good teachers, very good sadhaks in my life, and many of them have given me sadhanas by becoming my acharyas. I've taken Guru Diksha under, I have become the Sishya of Bhairavnath ji by taking Guru Diksha with him. And it's only recently on the Shivratri of 2021 that I took sannyas Diksha from Bharadwaj Giri, who is my present Guru. He is much younger to me in age, and he is my Guru Murti, he is my Guru. So my journey as a sannyasi has been, will be 1 year in the Tithi terms, day after tomorrow. So it's with just a very new sannyasi. Before that, I was interested in spirit, and I was interested in spiritual aspects of life. So I used to seek. I remember from my earlier days, but the last 22 years of my life, I've been fortunate enough to spend time with this great teachers, sadhaks especially, now who have imparted generously to me, and I believe a lot in being able to get closer to our Ishta Devatas through Nama Japa. So I indulge, I feel good about it. I indulge myself in doing Nama Japa and encourage all my friends to indulge in the same. And me, Floyd, Gajesh, we do a small activity every day of chanting the names of different gods for 15 minutes every day, and maybe another 15 minutes of some mantra japa, shloka or anything. Now that for me, like now, it's a new birth from last Shivratri to this Shivratri. So there is one small stuti I will do, which I would also encourage you people to, all the listeners who would be interested to do it. This is of Lord Hanuman. To accomplish the most difficult and impossible tasks in your life, you can do this regularly. Asadhya sadhaka swamine, asadhyam tava kim vada, Ramaduta kripa sindhu, mama karyam sadhya prabhu. Asadhya sadhaka swamine, asadhyam tava kim vada, Ramaduta Kripa Sindhu Mama Karyam Sadhya Prabhu Asadhya Sadhaka Swamine Asadhyam Tava Kim Vada Ramaduta Kripa Sindhu Yaha Karyam Sadhya Prabhu. I was sharing about this with a group of my friends, this current activity, and they said, people are not interested in being one and everything. And it did feel like, maybe what that person was saying, right? But now, with so many people here and the initiative taken by Dr. Yugandhar, Floyd, and all the people who are instrumental in this activity and in this path that they have endeavored to be, I pray that the Almighty ensures and blesses us this task to be accomplishable and make it a success. Thank you, everybody. Om Namo Narayana.